We're at 651 Hugh Street. Taking a look at this property. This is an older bungalow that's been renovated and updated. I love this one. Love this one because I love character. And the age has really shown that it can stand the test of time. I know a lot of people don't like old homes because they're like, oh, old homes, old problems. But, you know, that's very different with historic homes. There's a difference between homes that are just built like in the 80s, and those are old homes with that man-made construction. This is historic. This is built with different type of craftsmanship and care. Now, a couple things you'll eventually want to do, which is change out these pavers, these jagged pavers. While they look nice, I would rather a regular sidewalk here, just like they've done for the driveway. And so we're gonna go take a look inside. You see there is a wide porch, rocking chair front porch. A beautiful rocking chair front porch. No rocking chairs out here, but you could put a porch swing. Nice detail in the ceilings and the beadboard. They have the ceiling fan here, so you can really enjoy this porch. And a little side area here that probably was a door at one time in history, with a side door, but it's a window now. So we're gonna go ahead on through. Got their farm door, and you immediately walk right into a spacious living room. I say this is a great room because it's a living room, dining room area. Kitchen is on the other side, but this is a great room with real hardwood floors. Modern fixtures and details, no sloping down here at all. And it feels so cool. The air conditioning is certainly on and working. You have a decorative fireplace. Love mantle. They did a great job, whether it be staging this property or actually living here. It looks beautiful. So you have the waterfall island that is just wow. Roll out the dough. Make some bread, make some cookies, your stainless steel fireplaces, your floor to ceiling cabinetry that can hide appliances. Actually, one of them is the microwave. Have the hidden vent hood right there. I like the open shelving system there with the scalloped tile behind and backsplash. And you have even a pantry, or they built the pantry here. This is a very well laid out and well thought out home. It feels like a home. And so on this side is one of the bedrooms. A nice sized bedroom. Kind of unlike the other house, this bedroom, you can actually, see where you can fit a queen size bed in here, a dresser, and everything else. And then we're going in, they have a closet that has shelving systems in the closet for this bedroom. So this is bedroom number one. And the bedroom number one also has can lights and a fan. And that is attic. So stairs to the attic is in bedroom number one. There is also a basement I'm very excited. Can't wait to see down there, but we're going to continue through these rooms. This is bedroom number 2. This bedroom is a cute size, like an office. I actually feel like it's the coolest bedroom in the house. So maybe because the vent is above. So this bedroom might have been the end of the home at one time because it has the shorter windows back here, and many of the bungalows, you know, had that at the end of the home. The windows were short. Those were like the closed-in porch or the kitchen. But before we go on, there is a laundry area here, washer dryer here, so you can do a side by side. Don't have to do a stackable. It does have some shelving in there. And the main guest restroom. The restroom continues with that beautiful stone counter and vanity, and tub and shower combo with nice tile details and accents. The tile is all the way to the ceiling in here. This is a very nice design in this restroom. They left their pamphlet here so that you can see. This property is listed by Tristain O'Donnell with Engel and Voelkers. And Tristain is also a resident of our Southwest Atlanta community. She's one of the great agents that we know here. But they have this property listed only for $575. And I'm telling you, this is the best property that we've seen so far at this price point. So this is your back door to be able to get to the deck here from the side. They have like a deck that's somewhat like a L-shaped deck. An L-shaped deck. Oh, a nice backyard, very private. Nice trees. And this one, although we saw the house a few doors down, I don't know if you see the porch over there with the newer wood. This backyard is a lot more private. This is our neighbor's yard. And so we're going to go back through because on this main level is also the owner's suite, or I guess what could be used as the owner's suite on this main level here off the rear. And again, like I was saying, I think this may have been an addition at one time to this property, but it does integrate, you know, without looking like it's something new. I love the windows, and they've really made this a cozy part of the house where you can see where a bed was in between that on that side, and a nice walk-in closet here. It does have a light. Let me find that light switch. I think it's behind the door. Yeah. Having this is valuable because it takes, you know, it keeps you from having a lot of real estate taken in the bedroom. You don't have to bring in dressers if you already have drawers in the closet, which will allow you to get a larger bed. And it has the owner suite, ensuite restroom with my soaking tub. This has been missing in all of the homes. I don't understand it. A soaking tub. Yes, you may not take baths every day, but sometimes you just need to relax and escape. Yep. Stand-in shower. Very nice tile, nice design. I love the olive that they brought in with the gray. Feels mature, feels rich. That's that rich auntie there that they say, using those rich auntie colors, the olive and the grays. So we're gonna now go down to our basement. And I mean, they kind of set the stage for you to know that you're coming down to something nice down here. And look at what they've done. This is very nice. They did add, wow, it could be a media room, a family room down here. This is very nice. They have that laminate wood style floor. It's nicely painted and does not smell like water or anything. Does not smell like a basement, but it is giving you an additional guest room that you can have down here. An additional guest room and a restroom. So for people who have those teens, when they get ornery, send them downstairs. This could be the teen suite. Wow, that's huge. That's huge. And I am guessing there are additional just storage spaces behind these doors. They're probably earthen. Yeah, just some earthen spaces. Actually, they do have storage. Wow. And your mechanicals. Beautiful. They have really done a great job with this house, and I'm excited that we took the time to view it. I think my buyers are going to be very pleased to be able to make some decisions looking at some quality properties. Let me go out here, see how to get outside. Yeah, we could get outside from here. And this is just leading to underneath the house. Now, it's very clean. They have a little garden area. You could bring your car all the way back. It definitely is a little bit shorter for some of us shorties, but it's functional. It's functional, so that's important.